In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a progress column in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll have a clean, visual way to track how far along your tasks are, using symbols that make status updates easy to read at a glance. First, look to the top of your sheet where your column headers are listed. On the far right edge of those headers, you'll see a plus icon for adding a new column. Click that plus sign to start creating your new column. This opens a setup panel where you can choose the type of column you want. From the list of column types, select Progress. This option is designed specifically for tracking completion and displays progress using visual symbols. It's great for teams because it communicates status instantly without needing long text updates. Next, give your column a clear descriptive name. For example, you might use something like Task Progress or Completion Status, depending on what your team recognizes easily. There's also an optional description field. This is a helpful place to explain what each symbol will mean for your workflow, such as whether it represents 0%, 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100% completion, or a simpler Start Midway Done scale. Clear descriptions help ensure everyone on your sheet updates tasks consistently. You'll also see the option to choose the symbols used for your progress bar. Smartsheet offers different visual styles, such as partially filled circles or bars. Pick the style that best suits your team's preference and the level of detail you want to display. If your work involves many quick status checks, choose a style that stands out clearly on your sheet. Consider accessibility and readability too. Go with symbols that are easy to distinguish under different lighting or on smaller screens. Once you're happy with the name, description, and symbol style, click Apply. Smartsheet will add your new progress column to the sheet, and it's ready for use. You'll now have a dedicated place to show how far along each task is, using consistent visual indicators that keep updates short and clear. That's all there is to it. A small change like this can bring a big improvement to your workflow, especially when multiple people are updating the same sheet. If you ever need to fine-tune the name, description, or symbols, you can adjust those settings later to keep your progress tracking aligned with your team's needs. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the clarity your new progress column brings to your projects.